Tonight for my snack, I'm going to make air-fried homemade potato chips using 2 potatoes. There's a recipe in the book, and I'm going to follow it. First of all, I got to get 2 liters of water, or about 2 quarts, and a tablespoon of salt. Slice these thin, wash them off, slice them thin, and let them soak in here for half an hour. So, while I get started with that, You gotta leave room for your potatoes too, remember. This is a sharp knife. I have so many gadgets to slice potatoes and dice things, but I can't find any of them now. So I'm gonna go old-fashioned, slice them carefully with that. So 2 liters of water, a tablespoon of salt. I'm gonna soak in there. Rinse these off and slice them up. Okay, salt, pepper. You can flavor them up with garlic powder if you want, lemon pepper, onion powder, whatever you have around, and whatever you like, or nothing at all. So you want to get a flat surface to begin with. If you have a long russet potato or a round one like this, and just cut as thin as you can. If you can't find your slicing gadget. See? Ooh! Or a thick cut. I'm going to do this for a while. I don't want to bore you with it because it might take 5 minutes. I really want them like that. Okay? Or maybe I'll speed it up a little bit. Second verse, same as the first. Let's get these in here, let them start soaking since it's going to take 30 minutes worth of soaking. Check my clock. Alright, so I gotta wait for a while. I'm not here. Alright, continue. Soak. Soak, taters. Be back in 30 minutes. Paper thin, look at that. They've been soaking for 30 minutes. And the instructions say to preheat the air fryer at 330 degrees. 330 for 30 minutes. We're going to preheat it for 5 minutes. Alright. Preheat that for 5 minutes and strain these potatoes out, dry them up. The strainer's like my top hat. We're going to strain these out and pat them dry. Oh. Alright. Take a bite of one of them now. Would you like to bite one of them? You ever eat raw potato like that? I did. Spread these out, get them nice and dry. We want to separate these nice and coat them with olive oil or olive oil spray, which is what I'm going to use, and your seasoning, whatever you like. Homemade tater chips. Let's put some seasoning on there. Oh, salt and pepper. You don't have to use pepper, but why not? Salt, little pepper on one side. Okay, this side I'm gonna make garlic. This side I'm gonna make lemon pepper. But they might mix up in there, but it's gonna be good flavor. Whoa! Turn them over to the other side. Salt, garlic powder, and lemon pepper on the inside. Okay, our 5 minutes of preheating is done. It's hot. Spray these up good with some Pam olive oil. Then these flavors aren't going to mix together, but I don't mind. Because they're all good flavors. Get in there. Give me that sizzle. Shake them up. Spread them out. Best that you can. Give them no spray. Put them in for 25 minutes. 330 degrees. We'll be back. I'm going to shake them halfway through. I'll let you see what they look like. Alright. It's halfway through. I didn't look at it yet. I'm going to look at it right now. I'm going to look at it. Oh! See? They smell good. Now remember, this is only 2 potatoes. Spray them again with olive oil. Go back on for another 12 minutes. Here we go. That's it. Oh, that's how I like them. Listen. Yeah. Let me put this in a fancy bowl. Ah, let them cool, let them cool. Should have had a smaller bowl. Remember, there's only 2 potatoes. Oh, listen. Potato chips, let them cool. Here? They're potato chips. Yeah, where's my salt? Mmm. Delicious, air fried in my Kasuri air fryer. Look at it. Don't let them cool yet. Oh, couldn't wait. Oh, yeah. So delicious. I think they're good for you, too. It wasn't deep fried or anything. Air fried. Try it in your air fryer. Nice Saturday night snack. Whoa! Alright. I'll talk to you soon. Woo!